Today we're going over the Oticon rechargeable hearing aids, specifically how to use the charger. It's really important with these hearing aids to make sure we plug them in the exact way that they need to. So here, looking at this, we have the red on the right and the blue on the left. So the dots are there. If you make sure you have your hearing aids, so you get your red right, the blue on the left, you make sure they both go down with the receivers hanging off the backside. They even show a nice little diagram there for you. And as well, we have the green lights showing right there. The charge time on these hearing aids, for 3 hours we'll fully charge it, and 1 hour is 50% charged. So we want to make sure that we get at least an hour to 3 hours, and you'll have a charge for most of the day.